All right, today we're going to do a video of our Miyano BND34T5. It has a GE Fanuc 21M control. The machine's also equipped with a bar feed. The machine has a parts catcher, parts conveyor, chip conveyor. I'm going to run it for you. The spindle right now is running at 500 RPM. That's 1500. That's 2500. And that's 3000 RPM. All right, now we'll jog the axes around. We'll start in here with this turret. That's your Z axis, your X. I'm going to index that turret. Then we have your B axis here. And you're also able to index that turret. You can do your parts catcher. Do it one more time. That basically does it for the video. This machine can be inspected under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.